Praisers and Savers. We are at Walmart doing some great couponing, IBOTTA, Fetch, and Shopkick deals. So we got a deal on some juice. You want to show them the juice we're getting? What's that juice called? Do you know?
It's called
Mott's Mighty. Yeah, let's tell them about this deal.
That's just the brand name.
First deal on our IBOTTA is going to be this Mott's Mighty. It's $2.94. And on IBOTTA, you'll get $1 back. And there's also a 50 cent if you want to do this deal twice. Now, the Mighty is just a lesser in sugar, so it's like 50% less sugar. So it's a good summertime drink to get for the kiddos. So this will be $1.94 for the Mott's Mighty. It's going to be on this Fruitly water. They've got different flavors. I found this near the sparkling water section. It's actually above the Mott's juice where we just were. These are $3.98, and there is an IBOTTA rebate for $2 off. You can do this deal 5 times on the IBOTTA app, but I'm just going to do it once and get this water for $1.98. Another shout out for Saving with Christina and also Ohio Valley Couponer. These are for the Kotek security. This is actually going to be a moneymaker on these. Can you bring their cart closer to me, Elizabeth? So these are $5.47. We have a $2 off coupon on one of these right here, and so that brings our total down to $3.47. There's a $2 off on the IBOTTA app, which brings it down to a $1.47. There is a Fetch reward out for 2,000 back, and that's $2, so that brings it even down more. And then some people have this offer in the Shopkick. I do not have the offer in the Shopkick. With the IBOTTA, you can do this deal 5 times, but I only have 2 coupons, so I'm going to do this deal twice, getting back these pads for a moneymaker absolutely free. One of these Nivea Men Creams. They're $2.97, and there's a $2.35 off on IBOTTA. Super good deal. Father's Day's coming up, so just rack up. The Nivea Men Soothing Post Shave Balm is $4.98. There's a $3.40 off or back on the IBOTTA, and at my on my IBOTTA app, I can do this deal 3 times. So it makes these each, what did I say, $3.40? I think I said $3.40, didn't I? So it makes these $1.60 each. And there's also the bonus that when you get 2 of the IBOTTA deals for Nivea, you get 75 cents back as well. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. All right, Praisers and Savers, that was an amazing trip to Walmart. I'm actually in the back bedroom kind of hiding away. There's so much going on back there with TV and everything else. So my total at the store was $49.13. I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, and that gave me back $24.35. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch for $4. Then I submitted my receipt to Shopkick, and that gave me back 800 kicks, which is about $3.20. And then I had coupons for the Kotex That was $4 worth of coupons. So it brought my total all the way down from $49.13 down to $13.58. That is amazing, considering that these were deals that anyone can do, and they don't necessarily need paper coupons to do it. Now, yes, I had paper coupons for the Kotex, but you didn't need it because there was rebates on the Ibotta, also on the the Fetch, and someone said Shopkicks, but I didn't have that on mine. I'm trying to get to the midweek warrior bonus, so I need 15 Ibotta rebates to get that. To get that $5 back, and I'm at 11, so I need 4 more. So I'm going to try tomorrow and maybe the next day to get that. And then also I have the Mayflower Bonus, I think it's called. The Mayflower Bonus is when you do the 20 Ibotta rebates on mine and get back $10. Some people have it where it's 30 rebates, but mine's only 20. So if I can hit that by the end of May, that would be amazing. I think it's in the May, or maybe it's in this week. I'm not sure. That would be amazing. So I'm going to try to get both of those, getting back $15 in more Ibotta rebates. So wow, $49.13 all the way down to $13.58. That was an amazing deal. All right, guys, stay tuned. There will be a Kroger video later on the week. Bye.